Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can install the Google Play Store services in the Honor 9X Pro device. So previously friends, I did plenty of tricks and tips how you can install the Google Play Store services in the Honor 9X Pro, but few of the tricks are not working, and I got to know from my Instagram followers, they're messaging me that the Honor 9X Pro tricks are not working in the installation of Google Play Store. Can you help me? So I thought of doing one thing, that I factory resetted my complete phone. I wiped all the data. So I thought of installing all the APKs and trying myself, and few of them didn't work, friends. So then I figured out that all the tricks which I mentioned, they do work before, but they are not working right now. So as I said, the Google and Hawaii, they do change every time. So at the moment, this kind of procedure is definitely is working, and this procedure is going to be a very lengthy process, and this requires laptop and USB connection, friends, USB cable. So don't forget to either laptop or desktop or USB cable. So by using this procedure only, at the moment you can install the Google Play Store services. There is no other alternative way of installation of Google Play Store services, friends, at the moment in the Honor 9X Pro. So only this way it works, and definitely do subscribe and don't forget to like this video, friends, if this tricks works you. And this procedure includes plenty of steps, multiple steps, so you need to watch complete video. So you cannot skip to later on, you cannot skip 30 seconds or like that. So just to forward the video, it doesn't happen like that. So you need to follow exactly step by step procedure. And before starting the video, even I'll be factory resetting my phone complete, so you will get exact idea what I'm talking. I don't want to just uninstall and install later on, it doesn't work. So I'll try to complete factory reset my old phone. So then even I'm having no Google Play Store and nothing, and even you are having no Google Play Store, nothing, then we both will be at same page, and I'll starting to show you from the beginning until the end. So don't forget to like and subscribe, friends, and also help me to grow my channel very fast. So very soon in the future, I'll be trying to review plenty phones. Don't forget to check the links in description for more videos. So let's get started. First step, I'll be completely factory resetting my phone, and I'll be showing you step by step procedure, friends. And don't forget to keep the desktop or laptop ready and with a USB cable as well. So let's get started with this process. So as you can see, friends, right now there's a Play Store in the mobile phone. It is installed properly and without any problem. So I can install all the games as well, download all the games, so without any problem, friends. So now let me show you the settings. So now I'll be I'll be resetting the complete data. So I just want to try from the beginning, friends. So as you can see here, I click the reset button. So I just want to make sure that you and me and everyone are in the same page, and I'll be starting from the step 1 process. So before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel, friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, because this helps me to grow my channel very faster in the future. And right now I need plenty of support from different users. As you can see right now, the phone is getting reset, and try to keep your desktop and USB cable ready with you. So as you can see, friends, I completely factory resetted my phone, and let me choose the area, language and everything. So as you can see, friends, right now there is no Google Play Store anything installed at the moment. So clearly you can see, so there is no Google Play Store anywhere. So let me even open the settings and apps. So let me type the Google. So as you can see, friends, there is no Google at all in my device at the moment. And first step is to you need to download the one of the file, friends, so which is available in my Telegram group. So there you need to download that file. So don't forget to join in the Telegram group, friends. So there I'll be posting all the files necessary for the installation process. So let me get my laptop ready here. And this is a file name, friends, which is called Tech Magnet, as you can see. So as you can see, friends, the file name is 9X Pro, so which will be available in the Telegram group. So once you download this file, so you need to extract, friends, after long pressing. So as you can see, friends, this is a step 1. So download and extract the file. So next step 2 is to install the Hawaii suite. So which is available, friends. So once you connect the Honor phone to your laptop or desktop, this will automatically download and install. So if it doesn't download, just type in the Google the Hawaii suite how to install. So definitely, friends, you will get this application from the Hawaii website itself. So once you open this software Hawaii suite, so try to connect to the Honor 9X Pro device, friends. So let me get my phone here right now. and try to connect to the laptop. So in the phone you need to select the transfer files. So once you select that, go to the settings, friends. So in the search you need to type the hi suit, as you can see, hi suit, as you can see, friends. So now you need to allow the Hawaii suit. So once you allow this one, so you'll get the option. So once you are given the permission, then you will click OK, friends. So once it got confirmed, so Hawaii suit will be installed on your device. So this will be popping with a message, and this will ask you to enter the 8-digit code from your device, friends. So try to enter the code, 8-digit code. So trust me, friends, this kind of trick will definitely work for 100%. So without any problem. At the time of I'm making this video, there is no trouble at all. So definitely this should work. So try to be patient and try to follow step-by-step procedure, friends. So second step is completed, installing the Hawaii suit. So and now we need to restore one of the backup file, friends. So trust me, be careful with this kind of file. So let me try to show you. And step 1, step 2 is completed, and step 3 is restore of the backup file, friends. So there is a backup folder. So this will be available where you downloaded and extracted. There will be 2 different folders. One is the APK and one is the backup folder. Try to copy this backup folder, friends. So where you need to go is that you need to go to the documents and find the hi suit and try to open that and try to select the backup and try to paste here, friends. So where is the backup is there. As you can see right now, the backup is already pasted here. So try to paste it exactly, copy and paste in this folder. So documents, hi suit, and in the backup, try to paste that extracted folder, only the backup folder, as you can see, not the APK one. So don't get confused, friends. Try to watch again and try to follow the same method. This will definitely work. So I'm saying again and again because don't make any mistakes. If you make even one mistake, it doesn't work. So go to the hi suit right now and try to click restore. So this will search for the backup application, as you can see, friends. So the backup application is found right now. So don't worry about the Hawaii P40 Pro or any other Pro name. So no need to worry about that. So just click the restore option. So this will ask you to enter the password, friends. The password is already written below. So just try to enter the same password top. As you can see, friends, once you enter the password, this will automatically restore everything, all the data in your device. So this should say definitely complete. So if it doesn't say any complete, or if you cannot find any other folder in the year, then definitely try to watch again the video from the beginning and try to do the same process. Otherwise it doesn't work. So once you are done with that step, so second step is to go back to the same folder where you have this kind of file from the starting file. So which I said step 1 file. So as you can see, friends, so there is the APK file here. So double click on the APK and try to select all the applications, all these APK files. So let me try to copy. So once you copy, go to the internal phone memory of this Honor 9X Pro, friends. So this PC and Honor 9X, as you can see. And once you are there, try to paste complete all the APKs in the phone. So as you can see right now, all the APKs are completely copying in the device at the moment. So once this is done, the part of the laptop and desktop is over, friends. So now you need to go back to your phone, Honor 9X Pro phone. So here, so let me disconnect everything from the laptop. So now we don't need any laptop or any cable. So don't forget to follow this kind of steps sequentially, friends, step by step. So as you can see, friends, as soon as you click the backup and restore in the hi suit, you will install with these applications, 3 applications. So you don't need to worry about all of these 3 applications, friends. So now you need to select this application, friends, which is called G, as you can see here. So once you open this application, so click activate option and then click hello option. So now you need to click this blue color, friends, here. So which will be going on in the background. So no need to worry about that one. And right now you need to open the file manager. So by default, there is a file manager in the Honor 9X Pro, friends. So you don't need to worry about that. You need to download also. So once you are in the internal storage, So you can see all the APKs will be here, which is installed, which is there ready for you to install in the file manager, friends. And there will be plenty of APKs, total of 9 APKs, friends. There are right now in the mobile phone. So no need to step by step you need to install one APK. So don't try to install all and try to open it. It won't work that way. So definitely, friends, trust me. So there is another trick also later on in this video. So that's why I'm saying you to watch a complete video properly from the beginning. So first you need to install one by one application. Just click install. So now select the second application. So second APK, Google Contact Sync. So definitely, friends, do subscribe and like this video. So for more any other future videos. And third application, which is called Google Play Services. So don't be in a hurry, friends. Don't try to open the Google Play Store right now at the moment. So it won't work. And complete again, you need to start the process from the beginning. So if this process works, then definitely try to give a like for this video, friends, and also to subscribe and share my videos for other users. So as you can see, the Play Store, Google Play Store APK. Click install. And don't click open right now. Don't click, friends, or you need to wait for some time. I know you are in the rush and definitely you want the Play Store to be installed, but this is not the way. So let me try to install another fifth application. And the last application is number 6, Google Account Manager. Just click install and done. So don't try to install any other services at the moment. And all the last 3 we will install later on in the process, not right now. So don't be in a rush, friends. Try to follow the exact procedure. I'm trying to say again and again because it doesn't work the way it worked. So definitely try to follow this process only. So now you need to go to the settings here, as you can see. So once you're in the settings, go to the accounts and add an account. As you can see here, select the Google. So this will say this kind of message, but don't worry, friends. So just click OK and click existing. So make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data in this process. So don't forget to like, friends, if this trick works for you. So now you try to use your Gmail ID to sign in. So let me enter my Gmail ID. So as you can see, friends, once you are signed in using your Gmail ID, you'll get this kind of window here. So right now only you have got the option to add one more account, friends. So few of the users will be having 2 Gmails or 3 Gmails. So at this moment only you need to add one more Gmail by selecting the add account and going to the Google. So later on again you won't get this kind of option. It will be difficult to add the Google account. So try to add right now only, friends. So I got, just for the test purpose, I'm using only one Gmail. So after this process, so now once you are done logging in with that, so don't be in a rush. Don't open Google Play Store right now. So go to the file manager again and now try to install the APK 7. So before we install 126 APKs, so now you need to install the 7th APK, Google Services Framework. So now once you install the APK number 7, so now you can open the Play Store, friends, not before that. So at this step you can open Play Store and just check whether the Play Store is working properly or not, whether it's opening or not. As you can see right now the Play Store is opening, and if the Play Store is closing right now suddenly, then you did some kind of mistake. And for any other reason, if the Play Store is not open or Play Store force closes, then you did some kind of different method, friends. Definitely try to watch again the video and follow the same method exactly. So right now you can see even I'm trying to download the game also. So it's downloading pretty good. There is no problem with the Play Store right now at the moment, as you can see, friends. So now, and the process is not yet completed, friends. There is still more in the process. So if you try to stop here itself, it won't work later, definitely. So now you need to go to the settings here. So in the settings, go to the apps. So in the apps, select the apps and just type Google. As you can see, friends, once you type the Google, you will get all these applications and services. So now you need to select the Google Play services and click uninstall. So yes, friends, uninstall, because later on we'll be installing another Play services, so no need to worry about that. So just click Google Play services uninstall. So this will take some time. So trust me friends, try to follow step-by-step process from the beginning. I'm trying to say again and again, so don't be in a rush. So this process will definitely take some time to install right now. So as you can see friends, right now the Google Play services is uninstalled. So now you need to install the another Google Play services. So you need to go back to the files, and which is the APK number 8. As you can see friends, APK 8. So these are Google Play Store Play services, another mod APK. So now you click install. So definitely friends, try to follow step-by-step process. So don't forget to like the video friends, definitely if this is working for you, and also do share my channel with your friends and other users. So in case if the trick is working for you all friends, and do also support me. So once you install a Google Play Store services number 8 APK, again you need to go back to the apps. So here you need to just type the Google. So once you type the Google, so you need to select option, so show system processes, as you can see friends. So now you need to select the Google Services Framework. So once you selected the Google Services Framework, go to the storage and clear the cache and clear the data. And now you go back, kind of freeze. And once you do that, now you need to again go to the apps and select the apps and try to type the Google. And you need to uninstall this Google Play services friends. So this is a second time you're doing that, and go to the files and try to open the final APK, which is the 10th APK, as you can see friends. So try to install this Google Play services. So if anything happening during this time, then definitely try to do from the beginning friends. So if it doesn't work the way it works, so once the Google Play services is installed. So that's it friends, this is the end of the tutorial for installing this application. So installing this Google Play Store in the Honor 9X Pro device. And one more thing is that there is one unknown application, which is this G, so which we allowed the device administrator before doing this installation process. So now we need to disable this, uninstall this application, and try to uninstall this application. So for the security reasons, because we gave the administrative permissions before starting the test friends. So if you do remember, so go to the apps and now try to scroll down at the last, because it's in Chinese so you cannot type. So now you need to click the uninstall, as you can see. So we are given the device administrative properties like authorization to access all of this. So don't forget to uninstall this application must, deactivate and uninstall. So purpose of the application is completely finished. So right now even you can uninstall the other application as well friends, as you can see. So device, even try to uninstall this device ID app. So now completely uninstall and completely safe friends. Now you can use the Google Play Store application without any problem in your Honor 9X Pro device. So if sometimes the Google Play Store will force stop or it will completely close, so it happens sometimes, but don't need to worry. So again you can open the Google Play Store services and you can download the applications directly friends. So this is a complete tutorial, and don't forget to follow step-by-step process friends. And thank you for watching till the end, and also do like the video friends. If the trick works for you, definitely this should work maximum, so without any problem. So don't forget to subscribe also friends, and also share this video with your friends who are having this Honor 9X Pro device and they're having problem to install. So that's it for this video friends. As you can see, when I downloaded the game, in the future I'll be downloading the Netflix and other applications, and I'll be testing everything whether they are working fine or not right now. And don't forget to subscribe friends always to my channel SciTech Guru, and check the links in description also for more videos. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.